Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. If you have a toddler, you know how much energy they have and how much they love to play. I got this kids couch from MeMoreCool for my toddler and we have not stopped playing with it since we got it. We spend hours a day building ramps and forts and just chilling on it. It's so much fun and it's so comfortable. The first thing my toddler asks for in the morning is to build a tunnel or a fort with this couch. He absolutely loves it. He also loves to make ramps for his monster trucks, which he then proceeds to follow down head first. And I love that I don't have to worry because he's not gonna get hurt because they are so nice and squishy. I love that it came in such small packaging and that it also came with this super sharp knife to open it up without wrecking the fabric. I left it for 72 hours to allow it to puff up and it is perfect now. You can also use a hairdryer or a steamer if you would like it to go a little quicker, but we didn't. We just let it go and it is so comfy and soft. I love it. This is the perfect base for starting making any forts. He is just starting to get into that now. And I love having this because it's perfect size for him and it's super easy to use. I love that it has these handles. It makes it a lot easier to move around. And when you want to put it away, they fold up super small so you can put them in a small space. If you're looking for a toddler couch for your kids, I highly recommend this one. It's super durable, nice and soft, and it's a lot of fun to play with. And that's my point of view.